It's 7:20 p.m. The date is 9/14/2018. You can see we're starting to get a little bit more now. Tropical storm Florence. I'll show you. The rain's starting to pick up. The wind's starting to pick up. This tree right here will probably get torn up because it's real rotten. A weeping willow. That's what I call it, weeping willard. It's a weeping willow tree. But yeah, I'm gonna go over there and fix the flag here in a second, so you'll see the winds blowing. But yeah, let me end this video and go fix the flag, and I will be doing more. See if I can get a shot of the clouds moving. See how fast they're moving. Alright, well, I'm ending this one. Okay guys, it's 9:03 p.m. now. The date's 9/14/2018. We're starting to get more rain now. A little bit more wind. The wind's not blowing quite as much right now on the flag, but it's hitting the treetops. It was pouring down rain just a second ago, but it's done lightened up a little bit now. Sorry I didn't get out here in time. I had to get the night vision camera going and all, and it took a little longer than I expected, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If it starts up, I'll come right back out here. Okay guys, the rain's picked back up again. It's 9/11, date's 9/14/2018. The rain's picked up, the winds have still died down, as you can see. But the rain's picked up again. So, see, listen. I don't know how good you can see it. It's starting, the outer bands are starting to hit where I'm at now. I was just looking at the radar. So I'm going to end this video. If it starts pouring down like really hard, I'll start back up. But I ain't going to do any more until it starts like real hard, okay? There's the flag. Wind picking up. And that flag is soaking wet. Okay, I'm ending it. Okay guys, it's 10:26 p.m. The date is 9/14/2018. Wasn't even going to make another video tonight, but we're starting to get stronger wind gusts now. And just a few minutes ago it was pouring down rain, but it stopped. But the wind gusts are getting stronger. So I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you can see the flag behind me, but I'll wait a few seconds for another strong one to come up. We might lose power tonight, because there's a guy that owns the property down the road who has a lot of tall, thin pine trees that are leaning, and it's right next to the power lines. And to be honest with you, he's too cheap to pay anyone to cut them down. Guy owns a golf course, but he won't pay anybody to cut the trees down. So we always lose power because of his trees. Comes another one. And here comes the rain. I'm going to end this video now. I don't want to make them too long, like I said. Okay, I'm in.